Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I paint the skin. So first of all, I'm just taking out some lead that is on the paper so it wouldn't smudge when I paint it. So after I do that, I just take this red color and I just dilute it with water. And I'm using this little tiny thing so I could mix and show you what I'm using. So after you do that, I take the yellow color and I mix that with the red, and I also dilute it more. And after I did that, I just try to see what color would work for her skin. So I don't really like the color right now, so I used this different color after I diluted. I'm gonna use this color, yes, this yellow color, and yeah, mixing it with it because it was a bit too dark for the skin. So yeah, more water of course, because it has to be really light. So after I do that, take this blue and I just put a little dot on it because someone said that if you do that it will get the muddiness out. So I'm just doing that because I'm not sure if it's true, but I'm just doing it, I guess. Habit, And after I do that, I like the color, so I'm just putting on the color I just made all over the face and skin, like all over it. And sometimes I just put more water in it because it's a bit too pigmented for her face, for her first layer of her face. Because I usually paint skin with like layers, so I start really light like this and I build on top of it. So yeah, I'm just blending everything out to make everything smooth and nice and everything the same color, and I'm just going on the neck and everything like that. And yeah, you could just see me do it, so not sure what to say because this is a voiceover and you could just like technically see what I'm doing, but I guess I'll just do a voiceover, Anyways, after I do that, I just blend everything like I said with a dry brush. At least I try to blend everything nicely to make it look one color all. And then I just fix some stuff like you can see. Yeah, and then I just take this reddish, dark red color and I just mix it so I could make this peachy color, so I could kind of give her some life into her cheeks and her nose. Yeah, and her forehead, I guess. And I just do that. I just put some dots on it and then I use a dry brush and to spread it out and try to make it look even and nice. And then you can just see what I'm doing because it's kind of hard to explain. And yeah, this is pretty much it. And I think watercolor is very important to start light and then build on top of that, because if you start really dark, then it's kind of hard to like kind of sculpt her face and do different colors for like the shadows and stuff like that. So yeah, and you have to. It's kind of hard to do like paint skin at first, but if you keep on trying and if you keep on doing it, then you'll definitely get better. Because I remember when I was doing it. When I painted the first time, it looked horrible. Like, it looked like a zombie. No, actually, it looked like a vampire because it was so white. And I didn't even give her any blush or anything like that. Yeah, the first one, it was so bad. Maybe I'll show you guys once, but oh my god, it's so bad. But yeah, now I'm pretty okay. I guess, like, I'm not like the best at it or something, but I'm still trying, and I think I got better from the last time. I did it, so I mean the first time I did it. So yeah. And so after that, I just take the same color and I try to give her depth in her face. So I like go over the lid and like the nose, under the nose, like the bottom of her nose, like under her mouth, so it could show kind of a shadow thing. So yeah, you just have to keep on building on top of it. So yes. So I guess you just have to keep on practicing and you'll get a habit of it. So yeah, that's my advice with how to paint the skin. And also do it under the chin because, like, you know, the shadow and stuff. But I'm gonna use a different shadow for the actual shadow. These are just kind of like a little start on her, like, you know, like the, what's it, like the 3D kind of style, you know, not like making her flat. So yeah, now I just blend everything out with a dry brush, and I kind of add some of it too. So yeah, you can just see what I'm doing. I'm also trying to give her like a what's this called right here on the nose, like going up. Yeah, that thing, to make it look like she has one. And yeah, there's nothing I can say more, I guess. I hope you guys are enjoying this video because I don't know, it's just kind of hard for me to do these how-to things because it's very difficult to voice over, I guess, because you're technically just seeing what I'm doing. So yeah, after I do that, I take this blue color, like I said before that I use blue for the shadow. Did I say that before? But anyways, I use blue for the shadow. I use blue, this other blue also, I mix it together and I get this kind of like indigo color, and I use it for the shadow, and I use it under the chin and places like that. So yeah, that's it for the blue shadow. You could also use like purple, I guess, but I think blue looks the best for me, from my opinion. So yeah, I'm just doing that in all the places. And blend it out also. You have to always blend it out. Yeah. And what else am I supposed to say? I'm kind of confused of what to say now because okay, now I'm using this reddish pinkish color, and I'm putting it like a few drops on her cheeks to give her the blush, you know. After I do that, I blend it out. Of course, can't just leave it like that. I blend it out with like a dry brush, and I try to make it look natural in her face. And you just have to keep blending until it looks good, I guess. And also put on her nose too. And just keep blending. Just keep swimming, just keep blending. And if you like how it looks, you just leave it like that. So yeah. And we're almost done. I paint the skin, so yeah, bear with me, guys. Yeah, I just, you know, do some final touches, I guess. And I'm gonna show you a time lapse of how I did the rest of the painting. So yeah, you guys could see that after this. And yeah, this is it. Actually, no, wait, I thought it was over. Never mind. That was a whole, like, what was that? Anyways, I still have a few minutes or seconds, I'm not sure, left. So I just added more of the shadow, I guess, because it was kind of looking weird before. You just have to keep on doing it until you like what you make. So yeah, just, yep, I added a bit more like red on her shoulders and collarbone to kind of show it more, kind of like pop it. And yeah, okay, we're almost at the time lapse now. Thank God. I'm talking about weird stuff, or I'm not. I'm talking weirdly. So yeah.